So from the second week of September, people may not be allowed to worship in churches and mosques without showing proof of their vaccination cards at the gates. Also, you will not be allowed to access banking services in Edo State from the middle of September if you have not been vaccinated.
Our demand is that, number one, the governor must apologize to Edo citizens for issuing that statement. If he has taken vaccine, so be it. But he should not enforce vaccine on people. Are you aware that in First Bank along Sapele Road, some persons were stopped on Wednesday from accessing their money because they are not vaccinated, because they did not show a proof of being vaccinated? That is wrong. That is totally wrong. We have a right. We say no to forceful vaccination. If anybody wants to take vaccine, that is the person's headache.
So we are appealing to our governor to come back and record that statement. Yes. Because the consequences will be too grievous because of overzealous security agents and all that.
If he's concerned about the welfare of the state, he should go to a road and ensure security there so that farmers will farm. But enforcing vaccine, he should let us make our choice to take vaccine.
He has no right to tell us, to mandate us, to compel us, to force us to take vaccine. Yes. We say no to it. Yes. If this law is allowed to succeed in those states, it will happen in Delta, it will happen in Plateau State, it will happen in Kaduna, it will happen in Lagos. It is better we kill the head of serpent while it is still rising.